What's up? Good morning, guys. Getting the trailer all hooked up here. Got another gutter job in store for you today. Get all hooked up, get on the road, see what we can get done today. All right, so we made it to the job site this morning. Show you what's going on. We already got some pieces out running. Got Champ up there putting them in, laying them out around while he's putting them on. He thinks he's being funny, but he's not. Hey, buddy. Hey, Champ. Pretty straightforward job today. So what we got going around our own back. We got a little helper out here today. They did a full remodel on this house with an addition. This is what they added on. This had a flat roof on it. Pretty good job. Still got a little touch-up work to do. We're just here doing gutters. Started out as a small addition. Now they're doing a full renovation on the inside, brand new kitchen, everything else. So we're just here to help along with that. They dug out these egress windows down here. Yeah. So we'll get to work and we'll show you guys some processes and progress along the way. Alright guys, figured I'd give you a little update here. As you can see, got that one done, downspouts on. Got some stuff on the front done. Need to get miters put on, get downspouts put on. Let's go check the progress back here where Champ's at. See what he's making do with. So we got Champ up there, finishing up that small piece of gutter. Just doing it from the roof. It's pretty low pitch, so not that big of a deal. We'll run that downspout down, tie into that tile. We'll cut that tile a little shorter so it doesn't look so bad. But back here, got these three pieces in. Just need to get the miters put on, sealed up. Run it into that tile right there. Yeah, moving right along. Come back with another update here pretty soon. We're gonna come over here and see if Champ's working like he should be. What's up, bud?
I ain't got time for this right now.
You ain't got time for my movie?
No.
Looks like it. Don't fall.
Which way is that blow?
To the outside corner there. Yep. Don't fall.
Don't get punched in the face.
We called in the cavalry for backup today on this job. All right, guys, we're getting wrapped up over here. This job, I know my content's probably not that good right now, but just starting out, and I don't want to spend all day trying to film when I need to be working. I'll get better at what to do. Get a GoPro set up, get a stand and everything. Show you guys a little bit more action on what we do on a daily basis. But here's what we got. Everything's up, everything's good. That miter needs finished, but got our downspouts out front. Gutters up here. These miters are done, all sealed. Champ's over there, gonna finish that one real quick. Anyways, everything's done. Everything looks good. We'll get out of here, get wrapped up. We'll see how we make it out with the trailer going under this tree. Might have to film that one too. Might be pretty funny. But yeah, all in a day's work. All right, guys, we made it back. Job's all done. Getting kind of new to this whole thing, so just give me some time. We'll make some better videos as time goes on. But I appreciate you guys watching, hanging out with us. Any questions on anything, let us know. I'll show you how we do things. I know everybody does things a little different, but I'll show you how we do it, what works for us. And you know, we're still fairly new, so we'll learn as we go and keep the ball rolling. See you in the next one.